Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or activate Eye Comfort Shield in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Then go to display. And here you will find Eye Comfort Shield. Just turn on this button so that you will get yellow light along with your screen. Yellow light has been applied. Suppose if you would like to turn off this Eye Comfort Shield, you have to just turn off this button so that you will get a normal blue white light. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate or deactivate Eye Comfort Shield in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.